Welcome back, everybody. In this video, we're going to talk about the top AI coins to buy and trade in 2023. What do you think about it, JOMO?
Hey, Sam, I think this is a fantastic topic. Everyone is talking about AI since the beginning of the year. NVIDIA, a huge big cap stock, is exploding. One of the biggest explosions of big caps ever in the stock market. And I think all of us need to pay attention to AI, of course. Now, the thing about AI is that we need to make sure we don't get rug pulled. So make sure you look at the bigger caps, the better. AGIX, one of the big caps, an amazing coin. This is one of the more established coins since 2018, 2019, something like that. Very established. Now on the KUCOIN chart, what we can see is a fantastic double top. All right, so we had a double top that is beautiful. Why is it beautiful? Because two things. One, lately we had a huge up move from the lows. All right, it's 7-8x from the lows in just 4-5 weeks, all the way to that double top. Amazing. And now what we need is just a consolidation sideways. What is happening is just a digestion of all profits that occurred in those 4 to 5 weeks. Prices moving sideways. We made a higher low, of course, and now we should consolidate sideways, going bit by bit upwards, won't be linear, of course, but when it arrives and tightens again around that double top zone, all right, we will make sure that even prior to that, we'll have trades, but make sure that when it breaks out of that all-time high, all right, you want to be in this trade. What do you think, CM?
Absolutely. This is one approach. Definitely, we're going to take that approach, buy the breakout of the tops, because it will go price discovery mode, it will explode to the moon. I'm with you. I really believe AGIX gonna be a super performer, and it's already show us that it is one of the biggest bangers in crypto for 2023. And because of that, I personally, I know you don't do that, but me personally, I took a little stab here. I bought a little dip here on AGIX, and it's probably one of the I have very small coins that a few coins that I'm looking to invest, you know, okay? So because I believe we're in a bull market. So AGIX is one of them. I started my investment bag in AGIX, and I'm definitely going to trade it all the way up through the year, obviously, you know, buying breakouts, you know, etc. Okay, so this was our first coin. You want to look on FET now. Okay, so let's look on FET.
FET is the second coin that made a huge move since the beginning of the year. Of course, the AI narrative started in January. Actually, what moved the market from the lows was the AI narrative. Now, this was another big move, I would say second only to AGIX. And recall, this is one of the bigger movers. Now, you can see that CM, what he noted is that we had a straight line, kind of an accumulation phase sideways of just a couple of months, you know, and whenever we get a huge push from those lows, right, out of those lows, and we make huge 4, 5, 6, 7x the profits, we will go sideways, just like what happened on AGIX. So this is what happened on Fed. We had 5 to 6x. Now it's moving sideways. You want to make sure that this coin is on your list for top 3 AI coins for 2023. Why? Just because it had huge thrust out of the bottom, meaning the market is deciding for us that this is a coin we should look at. Now, of course, as CM said, some people will take a stab at it right now. Me, I prefer to buy more breakouts, if cheap area or low cheap areas, or more higher in, you know, the local high areas. But either way, put FET on the radar. What do you think, CM?
Absolutely. And now that I'm watching the weekly time frame, obviously it's not a perfect, but it's putting a potentially, if it's gonna start running from here, okay, you might get an inverted head and shoulders on a flat resistance area at around here on the weekly time frame, you know. So
that's a big reversal pattern, of course.
Insane reversal pattern here. We're talking about like multiple years here. How many years you have here? You have here 1 year and a half. 1 year and a half.
And you know what's another thing to note, CM? Look at the volume that came just before 2023 from the lows. right? This, yeah, no, prior to that, even prior to that, yes, that 1 week out of the lows, insane volume. Someone knew that something is coming for FET and they bought the shit out of it. Sorry about the word, don't like cursing, but it just came out because that's exactly what happened. So FET put on the radar. CM, what's the next coin? RNDR, is that?
RNDR, yes.
Yeah.
Like not like AGIX and FET, like classic only AI coins, but it's part of the category. By the way, guys, if you're still watching, like this video, subscribe to this channel, okay, and leave a comment down below what's your best and favorite AI coin to trade in 2023. But we want to show you also how to find it. So if you want to go to CoinMarketCap, you just click on the categories here, and this is the AI category. So RNDR is part of the AI category. So yeah, we're gonna look at it because it's very, 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 very strong coin. Okay, so tell us, what's your 2 cents about RNDR, Jomo?
You know, RNDR, it's what they do is they give a decentralized way to use CPU. Now that's why it's part of the AI, because CPU is part of how AI is being used, all right? And it's very interesting because it's a very, very interesting technology. So that's an FYI. Now, the good thing about RNDR, it's quite new. It only had one price discovery, but I think that price discovery in the past wasn't the real price discovery just yet. Yes, it was 6-7x, right, on the price discovery. But I think that right now, there's a huge possibility that if we consolidate sideways from here, right, you can see that we're at the highs, at the local highs for this cycle. So we are in an uptrend. We didn't have a parabolic move just yet, and it's building. So I suspect that RNDR does actually have the potential to be the first mover right now, because it's a bit lagging in a sense, but not really lagging, it's actually leading, because even this had a move in January and now it's continuing already. So RNDR, we're looking at it even for trades quite soon. What do you think, Siam?
Yeah, man, this is the strongest coin recently that made, we're talking also on size and also on volume, and it's making higher lows and higher highs. Obviously, lately it's becoming a little bit, you know, fakey on these levels, but still the chart is pushing higher, and you have the 200, the price is above the 50 and the 200 day, and that's what we're looking for as, you know, as a traders. And yeah, I really like this coin. I really like the way it's moving, and it's definitely on my radar every day. Every day I'm watching this coin, looking for entries, looking for breakouts, looking for, you know, stuff. At the moment, it's just going sideways.
Exactly.
So, yeah, this is basically what we have for you guys. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Let me show you a trade JOMO took in the group lately. By the way, if you want to join, let me show you this one first. Let's look on the trade. This is the trade from JOMO Trading Group. Okay, you have a cup and handle. All right, for
yesterday, right? This is from the last 2 days.
Yes, this is a very recent one. You can see a cup and handle on the 4-hour chart. Okay, you bought it here, right? That was your entry.
Yes, the breakout of the blue line, yeah.
176. Okay, let me show you area chart. Okay, look at area. Look how you make money in crypto, guys. Look how you make money in crypto. Okay, that was the entry. 178 area, 176 right here. Yeah. That was the entry of JOMO Group. Boom. If you've been in this trading group, 40% gains in less than a day. In less than a day, that's how you make money professionally in crypto. You wait for the best setups to come to you. Now, if you're a beginner, or if you're a busy guy or a CEO and you don't have time, you need to be in this trading group so you will have access to all these amazing trades, because this year you're going to make a lot of money if you will be in the trading group, okay? So if you're serious about joining the group, click on the link in the description right here, okay? And choose a tier. It's the most affordable trading group in YouTube, pretty much. You have the basic tier that you get only market updates, and this tier, you know, the 19 bucks a month, you get all the trade alerts. So let's say you've been in this trading group for the 19 bucks, okay? And you put, let's say, 5K on area trade. You already made, how much is it? 2K.
Almost, yeah.
You know, on just a trade, okay? So really, this is the best trading group. What do you think about your trading group, JOMO?
Well, I don't want to speak too loudly. I think the chart you showed speaks for itself. And you know what? The people from our community, I do the heavy lifting, CM. That's how I frame it. I do the heavy lifting for you. Come, join the community. I want to show you how I do things, and I want you to make money alongside us in our trading community. I would love to see you there.
All right, guys. See you in the next video. Cheers.